Ahee, namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Yeah, of course, I'm Tedaka Mtimbani, Nakisen, of course, and then I'm of course, oh, you talk here, of course, Dr. Sandlen, Man Sandlen, of course, Labangata Kivalinka, of course, DJ Namba. Yeah, look, of course, in Kalim Tersa and Dago, your should cut is refers to say Kalayan as update. The fact that December, of course, I'm sure, of course, I updated Timban Comuin, and I will Macaseras, of course, not the why, Combisin, Timban Timban, Ashing at St. Street initially. Ocean the number Bungagur a stand, Ashing at St. Street, but for real, Timban, of course, a Comuin, and of course, we should want a Vele Vele. The 9th that December, of course, Timbansia appear in court. Timban for real. Of course, Kara appear. Yeah. Only Palavra. If I Google 17, last time I said I Google. So sharp the Rana Google. It's orange. 3 months ago. I go back to update about the Manjin. Of course, I should come so warm. Timban, of course. We are appear available and stuff like that. Yeah, Marco, of course, Makalia very appear, of course, we updating a follower. Timban, of course, I come so say, oh, minister, but I should not clear me a number man. Because we posted, of course, if I know this paragraph, you do paragraph sungula, line number 1, 2, 3, line number 4. I'm not yet in a good position to explain what happened, but the right time will come. Let of course have conversation. He said that I oh, maybe the guy you are for available for the bookings, very we are booked that December. Let of course actually and this association and stuff like that. Marco, go very complain, maybe if you don't complain, but I should say because in case shock I are ongoing and the show rushing this show. Because because of course at the 24th of February if you can one mention of course a balo equal and I was not even aware sure no you can mention a very post here corner so if you can get if you come go Timbani if you can add a post as you can see yeah I'm grateful that I got framed and get arrested for something I did not do but still managed to control my anger and put a smile in my face. Okay. Frame ndiko inauta kwa kuva ngona khomuna alo frame very frame very shina tinshaka to hambana to munhu va ku I frame wini very mara ku frame very swo vula ntsena ku va I khomisiwe hi mavunwa so ku va ku ndo mixika yo karhi ku swi endle na ku maybe I guilty king are guilty hi nge swi tivi ku I ncini swi swa kona because Mthimbana nga provide context la so un'wana na un'wana le hleketela swi swa la ku hleketela swona ku a frame wo for yini Mthimba wena mhaka leyi yeah I hlakomisa ku I choose not to do no revenge cause I hold no grudge against no one. Those fingerprints they took are the same fingerprints that I left in every pen I ever used to write good songs. Okay, if I've never bought a gift or any present, let my criminal record be a reminder of how I was not perfect but a good friend. Okay. And then of course I'm grateful to God that I won the case. Yeah, very yeah. So I got defense Mthimbane Steven ku Mthimbane winning the case. Yeah, angeze naswanga anyika full information yo a frame yo for yini for now hote va yo frame yo lero n'wana munhu anga kota va khahleketela ku Mthimbane a frame wo for yini vana mhaka leyi swo ntsena swi nga kombisa swona ku I frame win but for what it's not clear no less so leka this of course in overall anga fika a kombisa swona kwala so ngoloko mhaka kahle loko ri impela very lo frame loko azawuna case la swo ku swishana a swi ri union angazanga anda miharari yo karhi ku ya leswi of course a khomiseriwe swona and the stuff like that. Yeah, though this is not a celebration, since I know more challenges are still coming, I leave everything to the Most High, and God will trust undefeated. Leswo of course angafaka swo mthimbani kwalaho. So mthimbani wu hume in overall, like you win in case nga swi vula tano. So nga loko mhaka kahle swinene because a swi chavisa yena ku mthimbani yi khomile, what's happening, and stuff like that. So nga loko mhaka kahle swinene hi leswo. Even then of course hi ka Mansandle level nyikaka na a DJ number vele. It's public knowledge of course based on our last update. Kwa kuna mahunga ndlela vele yo DJ number ka kombisa ku Mansandle va fika va nga ha perform risimu ra yena vele mnero hayi khona na ti va Susan ti ta va featuring ka album ya yena and stuff like that. So second of course ku ri Mgobozi leswi and stuff like that a swi endlisa swona sweswo. However no hlamala of course hi latest event a endliwe hi va Munghana FM swo nyikela na ti-wheelchairs and stuff like that. Over the weekend va fika kombisa ku Dr. Sandlen Chabalala eka ntirho wo seketela Mbazima wa Church Foundation, okay, loko a nyikela ti-wheelchair nhlayiso drop in center eShawela block 23. Leswi of course a fika kombisa swona kwala. So ya hi tela ngopfu video yaleyi yona hi nga ta khe hi pfula a hi tekeni hala ka TikTok. This is because ni vona na ku hala yi na quality ngopfu somehow, I don't know why. Yeah. As I've heard. So Mansandle na va ri ku perform in risimu rero of course va khawulela rona DJ number. As we can see kwalano. So I was like kumbe xana va nga vo lunghisa na because ku ha ti-details ta swona very loko se va kha va lwa initially. Nakona still a hi nga provide-wangi with the context yo ku ndleka yini i swilo leswi hi nga swi kuma hi mahungu ndlela vele. Ku ri mahungu ndlela vele tani swa hi swi kumisa swona. So ho hleketela ku maybe tani swilo of course hi nga vona va ri ku performendaniwa ku na maybe a high chance yo va nga swi vulavuriwa swi lunghisiwa ku vhele hi za hi vona a statement about it. So maybe va swi lunghisa leswi ni vona ku swi ri fair ku hi mina ngopfungopfu ka Mansandle because she's a vocalist. Loko hi languta vele ku na low chance like a producer in general loko mi kuma ku a yi vocalist ku va yi kuma ti-gig mhaka ya na mhaka leswi swi hambananyana. It's more like vo Salana vo Mpanyazi like those hi laha hi tivaka ku ti-producer ngopfu na vo va lava like mi kuma ku yes va nga kota ku yimbela but they are not vocalists and stuff like that. Ma vona mhaka leyiwa. So a va nga talwa njhe is not really a vocalist. A ni mahlono you understand what I'm trying to say. Hambi mina ni nga fika ni chela a vocal but I'm not a vocalist. Mahlo swa hambana. Mana mhaka leyi. So hopefully va yi solvini swi nga swi ri kahle and stuff like that. Loko ze va vona va performa ku na high chance of course swi nga solvini hikuva a va nga ha performi hi rona risimu leri. Ma vona mhaka leyi loko va invite ka ti-events and loko va invite ka ti-events vele sa va invite hi timhaka ta ro risimu leri hikuva a ri ku trending va fika va nga ri perform ku vele vona performance ya va a yi tsakisa but ma vona mhaka leyi. So hi leswo a ri byi ta vona swa ku swi ndlise ku yini. Hopefully we'll get a proper update because swa ku a swi nga a hi nga nyikiwangi ti-updates kahle ma vona. Loko ri amukela swi ka banda kombela mi tlika subscribe.
Tana mi ta vulavula na timhaka ta mali ma ni byela ku mi yivini foni a mi yivangi na ya a va ri swona mali va ri mi yive foni wena mali va ri mi yive foni mi yivini no a va ta mi khomisa tolo mina ni nga lwi vonani mi lwa na munhu wa wrong Mr. Fred mi lwa na munhu wa wrong va sala va ni approachina ni va ku Fred yive foni hi la ta n'wi khomisa mara hikuva i tivana na wena govulani hi byeli ku ndleke njhani va ri mi yive foni ene n'wina mi admitini mi teke foni mi yivini na hi pfale Mr. Fred. Mina I just want to help you as my brother. Mara bona mi lwa na munhu wa wrong. Bomlo. Mi yina police station na vona.
That one u lo kangeliwa. Because they go go na hi ti khale yo ti you will be saying take ma ya we le ngoti.
Mr. Fred, mina na ta mpona ku ri loko ku ri me bicycle ni wana baba ni kota ku ni va refunda mina n'wimi va right cause a va vona swo tala. Wena u ntata teka mali eka wa. Fred mara na iyo marets